Euro USD finally breaks out on the monthly chart after being range bound for the better of 7 months. We have it breaking out on the weekly chart as well, and we have it breaking out on the daily chart as well. Why? Let's get into the fundamentals and then we'll get back into the charts. This article is coming from fxstreet.com. Euro picks up pace and approaches 1.2000 on dollar collapse. The euro accelerates its gains versus the beleaguered US dollar and lifts Euro USD past the 1.1180 level on Thursday, an area last visited in late February of last year. The strong upside impulse in the pair has been reinvigorated in response to lower than expected U.S. inflation figures for the month of June, which firstly confirmed that deflationary forces remain well in place in the U.S. economy, and secondly underpins expectation that the Feds might end its ongoing hiking campaign sooner rather than later. So inflation is definitely decreasing. The Fed's increase in interest rates have worked over the last 12 months. In the meantime, further weakness hits the greenback after U.S. producers' price also disappointed this morning. Consensus in June showing a monthly gain of 0.1 and 0.1 over the last 12 months. So over across the pond, the same can be said of the Euro Central Bank, where a 25 basis point rate hike is largely anticipated at its meeting later this month. So this past, I guess last month, Fed Powell said he would pause, wait for the data to continue to come out, and maybe 2 more rate hikes this year. However, the jobs report wasn't very bullish. We had core inflation come out yesterday. Did not beat expectations, and then the PPI this morning, was about even. So, however, the central bank is unlikely to halt its hiking bias in the near term, as heightened by President Christine Lagarde and other board members in the past comment. Data-wise in the region, final June inflation figures in France saw the CPI gain 0.2% month-over-month and 4.5% year-over-year, while the industrial production in the Euro bloc expanded at a monthly 0.2% and contracted by 2.2% from a year earlier. So you have the Feds near the terminal rate of ending interest rate hikes. You have the Euro continuing to increase interest rates, and that's why we have this continued up move on the Euro. So again, just want to go to the daily chart and the monthly chart. And what I'm looking for now is a pullback to go long, because we got another 500 pips to the upside with no real sellers until you get to the monthly sellers level at 1.160. Again, let's go down to the daily chart, and we had this nice dip in price, pullback in price, which was a buying opportunity at the daily buys at 1.05250. Could have got long here as well on a drop in price, 2 basic candles in a rally. But this was sideways action since December. Now we truly got a nice breakout to the upside. Question is, where can I get long at? Because I'm definitely going to get long. I was waiting for the 4-hour candle to close. This is the daily candle here. Thought about going long last night, but I did not. Would have been a nice opportunity. As from last night to now, you are up barely 60 pips. Was waiting for the 10 o'clock candle to open to go down to go up. Let's see what we got. All right, so this hourly candle is about to turn bullish. It is 5 minutes to 11. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to take this long, and I'm going to put my stop down at the 1.160. So I'm going to wait 5 minutes. It may or may not close red. Hopefully the 11 o'clock candle will open down to go up, and that'll be my trigger to go long. I need to be careful because on the daily chart, again, we're up 60 pips. Not quite sure what the, let's see, what the ATR is. The daily ATR is 70 pips. So we are nearing the daily ATR for the day. So I may just wait until the 6 o'clock open p.m. Thursday into Friday. Hopefully, I would like to see a pullback to go long. Now, don't necessarily like trading on Fridays for swing positions because over the weekend anything can happen. So I may just wait until Sunday night. Not sure, but there we go. The dollar continues to decline on the monthly chart. You don't have any real buys until we get to, let's just say 96. Let's just say 97. All right. Yeah. So dollar going down means euro USD going up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.